Just got my Thanks for Nothing t-shirt. Shout out to Infinite and Zumar. Yeah. I might actually switch into this now. Now, we have an exclusive, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings, everyone. Thank you for tuning in today. Hopefully you're having an amazing whatever day it is when you're watching this. I think this is going to be a really dope episode. We're not only going to select the winners for the sneaker giveaway, but we're also going to be reviewing a pretty exclusive shoe. So with no further ado, today we're looking at the Vans Boot Skoot LX. That's a fun name to say. Boot Skoot. Boot Skoot, Boot Skoot, Boot Skoot, Boot Skoot. This shoe released on August 28th for a retail price of $150 but it was a pretty hard one to get your hands on. There were a few online retailers like Essence, Blends, J2, Bodega, but if you wanted to pick them up in person, it was only possible in New York because this is a Vans Vault exclusive. So I got up early on the 28th, raced out to Brooklyn, and even saw the Supreme L Train. The Boot Skoot LX was only at the General by Vans as well as the Vans Meatpacking store, and somehow neither store had the white pair. And that's the pair I really wanted, so I was pretty heartbroken. Vans, we have to do better. You know that's the pair everyone was going for, and somehow it's not in the stores. But let's dive in and check out the features of the Vans Boot Skoot LX. The base of this shoe blends together some really smooth neoprene with some sturdy leather as they come together at this white Vans off the wall logo. You also have more of that leather at the toe cap and a random patch of synthetic material here on the lateral side, and you never see it again on the rest of the shoe. On the upper you have more of that neoprene, and this is what really makes the sneaker interesting. This neoprene layer is a strap extending around the high ankle. It has a more high fashion look to it, and a lot of people have said that this looks like the Anta Klay Thompson 5. Very similar. At the rear of the shoe, you have a handy dandy zipper system that helps you get your foot in and out very easily. And since we're here already, I'm sure you can see that red Vans off the wall logo at the rear of the sole. The sole is a beautiful parametric chunk of that waffle design we're used to seeing from Vans sneakers. Some of that waffle traction design also bleeds out to the front of the midsole. And then the outsole, completely that waffle traction design. Okay, random question. How would you place these in order from your favorite to your least favorite? Waffles, pancakes, French toast. Comment below. Alright, enough about food. Let's slap the Vans Boot Skoot LX on foot and see what they look like.
I'ma fuck up a check with my new best friend. If you get a text back, consider that a blessing. I'm tired of this nigga Denny Phantom didn't go and ghost. I ain't even black him, I just leave him guessing. He wanna be my good, but that's not the question. I spend the night in just going back is not the question. I've never been into a fight, don't wanna touch it. I'm too much of a boss, all these hoes some peasants. I'm the number one, not the two, that's them. He'll buy me whatever just to feel my love again. Ass on thick, waist on slim. Don't test me trying to get in the back text.
I really enjoy the feel of this sneaker. It's just so light and easy on the foot, especially compared to other Vans that I've owned over the years. Like, look how light that is. You can completely scrunch up the shoe. That sole is completely flexible. In terms of sizing, I went true to size with the US 11, and this is just about an exact fit with my foot, but I do still have a little window of room by the toe so that it's not uncomfortable. If you're picking up a pair of these, somehow, because even resale is very hard to find with these, I would suggest going true to size. Unless you have a wider foot, in that case, I would suggest going up at least a half size. I was really excited about this shoe when I saw that it was releasing. I think this should be an everyday silhouette in your local Vans store. Vans, get these on the shelves, but more specifically, get the white pair on the shelves. The fact that the white pair wasn't in either store on the 28th kind of killed the release for me, but at least we do know that the silhouette is dope, and hopefully Vans does more with this. Let me know if anyone else was able to pick up a pair of the Vans Boot Skoot LX, and let me know if you were able to get the white pair in a size 11. asking for a friend. But now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's find out who the winners are for our sneaker giveaway. Thank you guys not only for getting the channel to 1,000 subs, but also for sending in your entries for this giveaway. All names were placed in a wheel of names to randomly select winners, and those winners are Curry the Flurry 30, and Visionary _ Racer. I'll be sending you a DM, but of course by the time you see this, you will have already received the DM. But thank you all for tuning in. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you made it to this point in the video, comment, toot it and boot it. It's always a pleasure, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.